Okay guys, you ready to do something kind of tricky on the computer? Because the computer isn't set up to record from the computer, it's set up to record from your voice or to use a sound clip that's already been provided for you, like you've downloaded, like the tongue twister one. We're going to go ahead and use this computer to record whatever it's playing. So we've got to trick the computer into doing that. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Audacity. And right now it's detecting I'm using those black headphones, and it's going to put it out to my black headphones. I'm going to record that real quick, and you can see that right now it's recording my voice. And you can see that right now it's recording my voice. Almost sounds like I'm repeating myself. But right now I don't want it to record from my Logitech headphones. I want it to record from itself. And right now that setting is disabled. That's not even something the computer is ready to do. If I were to open up this website here, I'm going to go ahead and play one of these cubes. We'll make some music with this later. I'll show you more about it in the next tutorial. But here's some noise. I'm going to turn that down a little bit so you can hear me. And I'm going to jump back over to Audacity here. And I'm going to click on record. And right now, it should just be recording my voice, not even the beats that are coming through. So let's go ahead and stop that, and I'm going to jump back over to my website here, and I'm going to stop the beat, and I'm going to jump back over to Audacity, and let's rewind that and let's see what it sounds like. And right now, oh, and it's just my voice. That's because it's not recording from where we want it to. It's still recording off of the black headphones. So that's just to explain what could be going on if you're not able to record off of the computer. But here's some settings you need to change. I'm going to go ahead and close Audacity down. I don't want to save anything. Let's go ahead and minimize. And I'm going to head down to my bottom right-hand corner where my sound for my speakers is. This is where you adjust your volume, but I don't want to adjust my volume this time. I'm going to right-click on it and open up a different menu. Right-click and click on Recording Devices. Once you open that up, you will probably open it up and you will see actually nothing down in here, but that little stereo mix, that's what we do want to see. So this is what you'll find when you open it up. The way to get that stereo mix in is to right-click and show disabled devices. And then you can see that it's still not enabled. We're just showing it that it's still there. So you need to right-click on it again and enable it. And at that point, it's now ready to go. I have a microphone already attached, and so it's listening, the computer is listening to this microphone. You want the computer to listen here. So you want this green check to be down here. So I'm going to put that down there, and you won't hear any of my voice for a little bit because it's not going to be recording off the microphone, just listening for whatever's on here. So I'm going to set that as default device. And you saw how the green check moved down there. Once you get the green check down there, then you're good to go. So we're going to go ahead and click on OK. And then I'm going to pause the video, and I'm going to get these headphones unhooked, and then I'm going to start showing you from within Audacity, and you're going to need to follow along without hearing my voice, but I'll show you how to make sure that you've got the right settings here. We'll open up that website, and we'll show you how to record, but you'll need to kind of follow the cursor with the ball and follow different things that I'm doing. I'll try to make that evident as we go along. So have some patience with it, and we'll see how it all works in a minute. Okay, so now that we've got everything set up and we actually recorded something off of that website, that's the way to make sure that your computer will record from itself and you'll get some audio. You could record off of a YouTube or off of somebody else's video, or you can pull these sound clips off of just about anywhere and you can turn them into, you know, your phone call, your ringtones, or any variety of things that we can do with it. Let's go ahead and listen to what we got here. Okay, one of the things is I'm not hearing it, and that's because I need to go to Transport Rescan Audio Devices because I changed some things around. And I'm going to go ahead and grab these Logitech headphones, and I should be able to hear it right there. Ah, there it is. So if you just remember, if you ever are playing something in Audacity and you're like, man, I can't hear this, well, check and make sure that your speakers are outputting the sound to the right place, and that way you'll be able to hear that. So now we've got our audio track, and that came from this website. And this website's full of interesting things that you can make some sound with. You've got different types of sounds, and what I'd like you to do is put together a bit of a soundtrack. And so in my next tutorial I'll show you kind of what I mean by that, and then we'll go ahead and record that with Audacity, and then you'll turn it into a WAV file and send it to me for your assignment. All right, guys. Good job plowing through this and working with some of those computer settings.